What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been quite some time since we've made a video or uploaded anything at all. We never got around to doing the second race between the Accord and the Integra. However, I do have some very bad news. Just last weekend, I was driving around the wagon right here. And I was being a bit of a ricer, and we kind of blew the engine up. It kind of sucks, but hey, let's just for laughs, let's turn around. You ever wondered what putting rocks into a blender would sound like? Well, this is pretty much exactly that. All right, let's fire her up. She sounds fucking mint. Super mint. Yeah. That's the sound you want your engine to make. If anybody was wondering, that's the sound you want your engine to make. Look, it's fixed. It's fixed. It's fixed. Yeah, that was pretty cool. Yeah, she's fucking mint, dude. Yeah, so she's blown up. Not really great timing, as far as I'm concerned. Especially because I really didn't see myself swapping this thing. Unless I blew it up. Part of me believes subconsciously I blew it up on purpose, but I didn't. I swear I didn't do anything on purpose. I was just being an idiot. And I didn't check my oil. This is kind of exciting. At the same time, very unfortunate. I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry. Wagon, I never meant to do this to you. But we do have ding ding ding. What is it? What is it? What is it? An F20B. All right, so this thing got dropped off today. Ordered it off eBay from some JDM Orlando or something like that. To be quite honest, I'm not very impressed so far with the condition I've received the engine in, but not a big deal. I mean, it's a fucking used engine. How much of a whiny bitch can I be? It did come with the PCB computer, and I didn't really expect that. Check it out, check it out, check it out, check it out. JDM is fucked, dude. But yeah, so I've got a bunch of parts on the way. I already got the new clutch. I just ordered a lightweight flywheel, some super Chinesium one from XTD. So really hoping the lightweight flywheel is worth the investment, because I just really want it to feel a little snappier than it did with the single cam, the fucking slow, boring single cam. I'm gonna go get an engine stand, because I just ordered the valve cover gasket and some Honda Bond to do the, obviously replace the valve cover gasket, and then re-Honda Bond the oil pan. And one other thing that I did notice just now as I was sitting here, it looks like the rear main seal is already, I already wiped it off, but it's definitely dripping there, and I don't want to spin another fucking bearing. Yeah. But anyway, boys, I'm probably about to go buy an engine stand, and yeah, we'll start playing with this thing. Welcome back, boys. This will be a whole nother series with the wagon. She truly does deserve it too. 300,000 miles. She deserves a nice engine. All right, boys. See you. Well, I think it's on the stand. Frankly, I don't really know what I'm doing. I've never used an engine stand before, and this one's like super Chinese and kind of sketchy. Well, shit, boys. It's like, I don't know, 2-3 days later. I have no idea. However, I've decided tonight, fuck you. I really gotta clean up his garage, but that's beside the point. However, I have decided that I am gonna do some work on the F-20B, boys. So, I don't know how exactly this is gonna work. Look, a dead bug. Fuck you, piece of shit. Anyway, I've decided that I am gonna do some work. I'm gonna do some work. And I also hope that the fucking engine doesn't fall off this Chinesium ass engine stand. So, first things first, boys. Let's review what we've got. As I said probably in the last clip, we've got our brand new clutch. We got the clutch disc, we got the flywheel. Oh shit. Scratch that. Clutch disc, pressure plate, throwout bearing. And this showed up like I think yesterday. The mounts, innovative. Cha-ching, ba-bing, bing, bong. Look at that. Oh yeah. Made in the USA, baby. We got the H-swap mounts, because we're gonna be using H22 post mount, you know what I mean? Yeah, you know what I mean. We got fresh, brand new H22 Prelude. Fucking, I don't even know why I'm talking like that. H22 Prelude post mount, bang. Just gotta pop that timing cover off. But that's not all we got, boys. We got more. We've got more. I'm going for broke. Going for broke. I mean, some people are saying shit. We've got ourselves some eBay special G plus silicone hoses. So we got those. Now, not only do we have those, we've also, you know, it's always a good idea to put heavy stuff on top of your clutch disc. Always do that. But not only do we have that, but we've got this here. Man. Don't look at the Chinesium brand, okay? Don't judge me. I'm on a budget. All right? We got ourselves a lightweight flywheelio with a little bearing I gotta push in there. We're gonna hammer it in. We're gonna fucking hammer it in. Okay, so we got that. And I was really way too close to my face. However, sorry if I'm making sick of all these movements I'm making. However, we do have some other stuff. I'm gonna lay them down on top of the roof. And oh shit, we're still missing one thing. And it's probably supposed to be here tomorrow. However, we have ourselves a red tag. You know what that shit is? Honda OEM. Valve cover gasket for H22, because I live in America. And they don't have F-20Bs here. Also, this clip is going on for way too fucking long. We've also got Honda Bond High Temp for our goddamn oil pan. Yeah. So we're going to reseal our oil pan, throw on a new fresh valve cover gasket, and it's gonna be mint. It's gonna be mint. Well, fuck, dude. I really hope this is not the trajectory of this entire project. I really fucking hope not. But for the first time ever, I might be, because this old girl's tired. Old Harbor Freight has never failed to remove a crank bolt for me before. However, I cannot get this fucker to come off. And it needs to come off. This fucking belt is crunchy, dude. It needs to come off. Like, I'm legit. As soon as I get back inside, I'm ordering a timing belt kit for this fucking engine. I feel like there's a valuable lesson here, kids. So hear me out. I may be a little drunk, but I'm still very coherent. Alright? So there may be a valuable lesson here with this F20B that I thought I saved $400 on. I'm willing to bet if I would have bought the fucking $16.99 plus shipping engine, I would not be running into all of this shit. Replacing a valve cover, replacing a rear main seal, resealing a fucking oil pan. Yada, yada, yada. If I ordered one that was just a little bit more money, I probably could have saved myself this headache. But I decided I wanted to save some fucking money. However, we're already too far to go, well, should order the better one. Too bad, so sad, we're already here. We have to deal with what we have. I don't know if I even want to continue, because this is just not going well tonight. And I'm just progressively getting more saucy. So it's just maybe not a good look. I'm thinking I'll probably just put the fucking valve cover back on. Just put that bitch back on. And then maybe I try and do the oil pan instead. However, we are waiting on 3 more parts. I think I just rubbed dirt all over my face. So I'm waiting on the rear main seal. I'm waiting on a shitty Chinese EM exhaust manifold with a downpipe because for some fucking reason apparently my shitty ass AirPods keep falling out, but apparently when you spend less money, not only do you get broken parts, you also get less parts. So I didn't get a downpipe with my fucking F20B, so I had to order a temporary Chinesium piece so I could run it. So we're waiting on downpipe and exhaust manifold. We're waiting on rear main seal. We're waiting on a rye wire jumper harness for our external coil to internal coil adapter harness from rye wire. I said that's so stupid, it's not even funny. However, I'm gonna think about it and I'll get back to you whether I decide to do the oil pan tonight or not, because I just wanna fucking go. Update. JDM Orlando, fire. Totally legal to ship an engine full of fucking oil. I'm so glad I went with my intuition and decided to fucking pull the drain plug before trying to flip the engine, because this would have been a fucking ungodly mess. So, I got the oil pan off. Fucking sick. Bare fucking block here, you know, not bare block, but you know, no, she's a little naked. She's a little fucking naked, you know what I mean? So we gotta clean all this fucking goopy gop off. This fucking shit. Somebody's having more fun than I am. So we're gonna clean that shit up. I thought I filmed myself taking the oil pan off. Apparently the GoPro decided I'd rather take a picture. We'll check in once it's all cleaned up. Alright boys, I'm sweating my dick off out here. If you didn't fucking know, you know. Alright. Fucking oil pan, it's pretty clean. I mean, it's not as clean as I really want it to be, but it is as clean as it needs to be. Mating surface on the fucking block looks pretty clean. Yet again, not as clean as I'd like it to be, but it's about as clean as I could get it. Might scrub it a little bit with a wire brush, see where that gets me. Whew, I'm sweating my dick off out here. You know, I fucking thought that it'd be cooler out here. That's why I waited till the nighttime to do this shit. And I'm still cooking out here. But however, I'm going to put a coat of a Honda Bond on this bad boy. We're gonna fucking send it, dude. Fucking send it. Okay? Alright. Alright, boys. I've officially sweated my body weight in the past hour and some change. We do have an update. Shazam. That bitch. That bitch. Back on. Back on, baby. Woo! What I'm probably gonna do is call it a night here. I might edit this, pop it up online. What I'm gonna do, order a timing belt kit, wait for the rest of the parts. And we're just gonna get this thing keeping it moving, keeping it moving, keeping it moving, keeping it moving, keeping it fucking moving. Alright, boys. I know this video is not what I wanted it to be. However, that's the theme of the video. However, we are moving along. We're making shit happen. Bingo bango. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned. We're gonna have a CE1 with an F20B swap any fucking day now. Alright. See you in the next one. Can you fucking hear that? What the fuck? There's literally a horn just for what appears to be no fucking reason. Oh, and it stops. Wow. Wow, what a neighborhood.